Traditional triple milled French soap. Our soap is made with a traditional recipe dating back to 1828. We use an advanced purifying process and high-quality craftsmanship to create unbeatable natural soap with premium ingredients. Premium natural ingredients, made with high-quality natural ingredients including olive and argan oil rich in vitamin E. This hand and body soap is cruelty-free and contains no sulfates, parabens, or phthalate. Scented hand wash soap. Our French hand soap features a fresh, clean fragrance that energizes the senses. Expertly crafted to gently cleanse sensitive skin and act as a body wash. Pamper Your Skin. This plant-based kitchen and bathroom soap leaves skin soft, smooth, clean, and with a gentle fragrance of lemon verbena. Expertly crafted in France. A la Maison makes natural Marseille soap with vegetable oils using the traditional French milled process. Our moisturizing scented French soap lathers easily and is known to be the finest quality. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. This is one amazingly scented hand soap. Everyone in my house likes it. My kids enjoy washing their hands more than ever. Definitely recommend.